this session, we're ensuring that the necessary MySQLi drivers for PHP are installed and configuring for MariaDB as our MySQL server for this demo. In YAST, navigate to the Software Management section and search for Mysql. Additionally, we install the PHP 8.1 module to enable PHP to utilize MySQL functions. In the Services Manager, ensure that MariaDB and Apache 2 are started and running on boot. This way, when the system restarts those services, we'll have 2. We'll run the Mysql secure installation script. We'll stick with the default setup, but not allow remote root login for the demo. Move to the htdocs directory within Apache and create a demo.php file using the Nano text editor. Our demo will be straightforward. Establish a connection to the database, create a table, insert data into that table, retrieve that data, and display it on screen. Finally, close the connection. This process provides a basic understanding of building a simple web application using PHP and MySQL. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.